want to install Class Saathi? It's quick and easy. Let's get started. Go to our official website, click the menu at the top right, select Download and hit Download Now. Once the file is downloaded, double-click to open it. If you see a security warning, click Run Anyway. Create a desktop shortcut for easy access. Click Next, then Install and wait for it to finish. Click Finish and you're all set. Class Saathi is ready to use. This process suits well if you're using a Windows panel. If you're using an Android panel, follow the same process till Download Now. You will get a file which you need to click on and install the app. Need help? We are here for you. Happy teaching with Class Saathi.